Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing power and RF basics. Put fresh AA batteries into the handheld transmitter or BOTA pack and snap on the receiver antenna. Power both units on and watch for the battery and RF indicators to confirm life. Once done, pick a channel bank and use the receiver's scan to locate a clear frequency. This reduces interference. Make sure transmitter and receiver are in the same group or bank so they can talk. That alignment is the first actionable step to reliable audio. Next, pair devices and optimize levels. Use the receiver's IR sync feature to copy frequency and settings to the transmitter quickly, or enter the exact frequency manually if needed. Then set the receiver's output level to suit your recorder or mixer. Start around -12 decibels and raise only if necessary to avoid clipping. On the transmitter, set mic gain conservatively and perform a live test with normal and loud speaking to confirm headroom. If levels peak, reduce gain. If too low, increase slightly to preserve signal quality. Finish with verification and a key troubleshooting habit. Confirm mute is off, engage keypad lock to prevent accidental changes, and position antennas for clear line of sight. Monitor the feed with headphones while recording a short backup clip to validate sound quality. If you encounter interference or dropouts, first switch to another bank or perform another scan, then reposition antennas, and if using a BOTA pack, move the transmitter slightly. The most effective quick fix is changing frequency and improving antenna orientation to restore a clean signal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.